Once in a magical forest, there lived a curious bunny named Benny. Benny loved exploring, but he had one tiny problem. He was afraid of the dark. Every evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, Benny would scamper back to his cozy burrow, avoiding any adventure that lay in the shadows. One day, Benny's wise friend, Oliver the Owl, noticed Benny's fear and decided to help. Oliver shared a tale about a brave firefly named Spark, who once overcame the fear of darkness. Spark believed that within every shadow, there was an opportunity to shine. Inspired by the story, Benny decided it was time to face his fear. As the sun began to set, Benny took a deep breath and hopped into the unknown. The fire seemed scarier than ever, but Benny remembered Spark's words and mustered up the courage to explore. To his surprise, Benny discovered a magical world of twinkling fireflies, illuminating the darkness with their glow. Each step he took made him braver, and soon, Benny was dancing among the fireflies, his fear transformed into a sense of wonder. From that day forward, Benny embraced the darkness, knowing that within it, there were hidden wonders waiting to be uncovered. The little bunny became a beacon of courage for all the forest animals, teaching them that facing fears could lead to the most magical adventures. And so, in the heart of the enchanted forest, Benny's bravery became a shining example for everyone to face the fear and discover the brilliance that lies beyond it.